Hi everyone, AK here. In this video, I'm gonna give you an overview for ThriveCart. ThriveCart is a very powerful cart platform to create cart pages like this one. That it's very simple. You create a product which is like for each card that you want to create, and you can link in one place, like Apple Pay, credit card through Stripe, your Stripe account. You link it once to ThriveCart, and then you create, these cards. Or PayPal. Also, you link PayPal and Stripe once to your ThriveCart, and then from inside it, you can create different products, like you see here. Different products. Each one will have a specific page that you can use it as a card to check out for people to check out for your products. Of course, you can add bullet points, so you can use it like kind of a sales page. You can add a video to it, and you can add trials, discounts, testimonials. It's really powerful platform. Like, before using it, I used to struggle a lot with this issue of payment, that you have one link for Stripe account, one link for PayPal, and one link for something else. Here you just link them once, and then you create all your cards inside the platform, and you can do upsells, you can do coupons, you can do bump offers, do some A/B testing. Also, what's powerful about it, you can have an affiliate center, like you have your own affiliates for your own products. And of course, you can get stats, detailed stats, and you link it to integrate it with autoresponders, and have discount coupons, and discount URLs, which is different. Like, instead of someone using a coupon, you can send them a specific link that already the discount is applied automatically. And of course, you can integrate it with so many different platforms. It's really powerful. As I said, you will have different products, and each one will have a specific link that directs to the cart. And this is actually like inside one of the products that I will talk about, how to create like a new product in the next video. So this is just a quick overview for ThriveCart. I will leave an affiliate link. Actually, in the future, they're gonna charge monthly for it. Now it's closed if you go, but like, I have a special link for some partners with ThriveCart, that it's, I think, $595 now, selling for lifetime access. So I really, when I purchased this, it's eliminated a huge headache, about cards and payments, and I really highly recommend it. Because if you use some other platforms like ClickFunnels or whatever that have their own cards, you will end up paying a lot on monthly basis in membership fees. While here they have now a special offer of only one time payment for live access, and it's really worth it. And in the future, I think they will be charging, I think, $95 a month or something like that. So if you like the platform, just go ahead, and it's no brainer. Just go ahead for it. Thank you so much, and see you soon with another video.